In this video, I'll be showing you the best affiliate platform you can join this 2022 even as a beginner. Let's get started. Okay, so the first on my list here is ClickBank. ClickBank is available worldwide, but some countries are still like Nigeria, Indian. Okay, it has lots of categories like health and the rest. So you can join it to get clickbank.com. And then one here on my list is JVZoo. This is available worldwide, but they only have digital products, digital product and online courses. You can try this, available worldwide, no countries restricted. This next one on my list is Digital24. It's just similar to ClickBank. It's available worldwide, but some countries are also restricted. Okay, so and then one you can join here is Warrior Plus. Okay, it's available worldwide, but the payouts are small and the offers they are small. So join them today. And the last one on my list here is Amazon Affiliate. Okay, Amazon Affiliate is also a good affiliate program you can join. Try this today and thank me later.